Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you, okay? And just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Aquarius, we're going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or message for my Aqua Gang spirit. This one, all right. Let's put this one here, Aquarius, put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Aquarius, is Steady Progress. That's nice. What are you having steady progress in, Aquarius? Let's open your cards and figure it out. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel, for your lovely comments, your likes, your shares, your care, and your donations to the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, if you're new to the channel, Aquarius, we welcome you in to join our Omkara family and subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aqua, this is going to be a small little mini love bite, as I like to call it. Your longer readings have already been put up. More are coming. Your next reading is on Tuesday. Air signs are on Tuesday. So look forward to that. And if any of you need a private reading before that, my email is in the description box below where you can reach me. Good, Aquarius. See, Wheel of Fortune is in the upright. So luck is on your side here, right? Steady progress and the Wheel of Fortune upright. Two fabulous cards. Let's open your cards now. 4 of Pentacles in reverse, 6 of Swords, Ace of Swords, 10 of Wands, 8 of Cups, 4 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, 9 of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. Center of my spread, I have the 8 of Cups. So either somebody wants you to come back to them, Aquarius, or maybe you are thinking of going back to somebody, but there is a lot of thinking going on about that. Should I release this connection? Should I try again? Should I drop them? Or there's a lot of stress and tension about how to move forward now, right? How to go ahead, how to have that steady progress. So before I begin reading your cards, Aquarius, let's take some dialogue messages between the two of you and get the ball rolling here. So Spirit, Aqua, and their person. Ooh, lots to say, Aquarius. Let's take a few more from here. Thank you. So the first card I have here for you, Aquarius, is being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another being with you kills me. You are mine. So maybe you guys are not together and one person is saying, hey, listen, home is where you are and I don't want you to be with anyone else. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Similar message, right? I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. I think this card came out for you last time as well, Aquarius. Maybe one partner, heart of hearts, feels that their partner is the one they want to be with, but whenever they feel a little bit rejected also, they maybe lash out or they get angry or they drink or some kind of unhealthy behavior sprouts out, which creates even more rift and it becomes complicated. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. This I was about to say this. Somebody's ego is coming in the middle of actually being honest with their partner to say, "Hey, listen, I need your help." So this person says, "I don't want to admit it, but I need your help," right? And the next card says, "Your ego is fucking irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in, we could be a strong power couple." So even though this person wants, their help, they're not asking, and this person is saying, "Why aren't you asking for my help? Because if you do, and if you let me in, we can actually make it. We can make it." Next card says, "I admire you, I care about you, I trust you, I respect you, and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love." So I think one partner actually does love the other, but I think both of you do, but there is ego problems coming where one doesn't know what the other person is feeling and the other doesn't know whether they can, reach out to their person. And that's what's creating this divide at the moment. So yes, I feel somebody is kind of letting go here, letting go of all this drama that's happening in your lives, leaving all this troubled times and moving on to a calmer place for themselves. The whole issue here is that the only reason they're dropping all this is because there is no truth and clarity between the two of you. If you guys can come together, have a conversation, there is a strong possibility of a return here, Aquarius. So I would suggest take some time out, think about it, and then make a decision. Okay? So, Four of Pentacles, Spirit, Four of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody is releasing a beautiful partnership. Can be a soulmate connection. That you guys were in love. There was lot of love at one point, but now because of all these ego problems or addictions or whatever's happening here, or no proper communication between the two of you, I think things are totally upside down right now, where one person is on the verge of kind of letting go of this connection. They are, yes, it's been a tower moment. It's been a tower moment of this connection, to have lost this beautiful connection, right? So, and I do see somebody is now wanting to leave all this troubled times and move to a calmer place for themselves. But I think their partner, who has ego, is not stopping them, is not talking to them, but is silently watching them from afar, waiting and watching and stalking and dreaming of them and loving them, but still there's no conversation between the two of you. And if it continues that way, Aquarius, I don't know how far it's going to go. Ace of Swords, Spirit. Yeah, somebody needs to make a decision here. If this communication doesn't happen, Aquarius, I think a decision will be made. Okay? And the decision may not be a very nice one. Somebody could just drop the connection here totally, and then it may be too late, right? So, Ten of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Because somebody, the person with ego and pride is still not going to their partner, still not apologizing, still not giving a love offer, not giving that romantic gesture or something. Instead, what this person is doing is just standing back and watching their person leave. Eight of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. The passion is there, but movement is not. This person is not taking any action at all. Stagnancy, no going and saying sorry or an apology or anything like that. As much as they want their partner to return here, Aquarius, they have so much passion for their partner, they have a lot of love for their partner, they'll dream about their partner, but the ego and pride is not allowing them to take one baby step towards their partner. Instead, what are they doing? Nothing. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. They are dreaming, they are thinking, they are wishing, they are hoping, because they know that this is their person, the Lovers with the Ace of Cups. So whoever, I think this is the masculine energy who's not taking action and watching their partner leave but still not taking action because of their ego and pride, very well knowing that this is the love of my life, this is the person that I love so, so, so dearly. Whereas the feminine energy, I think, has been waiting, has been going back and forth in their mind. Will they come? Will they apologize? Will they say sorry? But now, as days are going by, they've been going back and forth. They've been waiting, I think. Should I drop them or should I go back? Now, the problem here is that because there has been no work put into this connection by their partner, this person has been also very worried, not been sleeping well at night, tense, wondering, waiting, hoping. But it's come to that point, I think, where this feminine is now made her decision. It's finally made her decision. I don't want to be at crossroads anymore. I think I'm beautiful. I think I still have it in me. I can face life on my own. I'm still, I still have it. I'm a go-getter. I can create my own abundance, and I know I'm still attractive. I can find somebody else. So if my masculine is never going to come and put in any work in our connection, then I think I'm going to take charge of my own life. Yes. This is... Now this feminine is, whoever this feminine is she's now enlightened now. She's enlightened. I think now it's come to a point that roles are switched. It's this feminine now who's putting up barriers now and saying, you didn't want me, so I think I'll put up my barriers now, and I am not going, I don't want you either. Whoever this feminine is healing right now, big time. They've suffered a lot as well in all this waiting time while they've been, see how badly they've been hurt. They've been really badly hurt, and now they are healing from all this past trauma this person has been through. Look at all this trauma this person has been through. Just waiting. Will they? Won't they? Will they? Won't they? But no, nobody did. Nobody put in any effort. Even though the love is there. The love is there, everything is there, but this person in their ego and pride had never took any action. And now this feminine says, okay, I'm moving on. I'm totally moving on. I'm going to make steady progress in my own life now, if you don't want me. So yes, now I think the reason for all this has been... somebody should have taken control or can still take control. Instead of just sitting in their ego, pride, overthinking, stressing out, if somebody can just take charge of the situation, there's a big possibility here, Aquarius, of regaining this beautiful Ten of Pentacles connection. Somebody is just watching it leave. So now the choice is yours, Aquarius, whether you're the masculine watching or the feminine. Feminine, I can understand, has been waiting and watching, but nothing has come forward till now. So yes, that's all I have for you right now, Aquarius. Either way, keep making steady progress in your life. You can't wait forever, right, feminine? Move on. And luck is on your side. Things will be fine, right? Things are going to be great. So that's all. Till next Tuesday then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.